Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you some Happy Mail that I received in October for Halloween. But yeah, so some of them I've already opened and they have their addresses, so I'm afraid to show, but let's check this out. Oh, it's Halloween, do whatever floats your broomstick. Oh my gosh, that's such a cute one. I can fussy cut her out and the cat and the pumpkin and use them on a Halloween thing next year. Cool. Aw. Crafter's Companion Paint Fusion Daisies. So it's a clear acrylic paint daisy stamp set. Nice. The day is yours. Celebrate in your own magical way. Happy Halloween. And this is from Gina Loves to Craft. Thank you so much, Gina, for thinking of me and sending me this acrylic stamp. I love it. The next one here, let's see. Oh, beautiful card. Has this witch. It says Eek. I love this. What is this pattern called? Like gingham or something like that. I don't know, but it's cute. And this is from It's a Deal. So it's from Liana. Thank you, Liana. Just says hello, Maka. Happy Halloween. Thank you for the spooky card. Lovely Liana. It's a Deal. I like her card. Thank you so much, Liana. And she's sharing this from Pat Wetton, who is Pat's Paper Crafts on Etsy. So that's who made this card. This is a nice card. Thank you, Pat. And then she included these fun die cuts. Look. Ephemera. Oh, look at that cauldron. A bat. The apothecary. And then some just different ephemera. Love it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. These will go great with my stash. And then I also received another one from Therese. How cute is this? With her little owl here. And it just says Happy Halloween. She layered a few patterned papers and this yarn bow. And she put the embellishment right there in the middle. And it just says, thanks for the Halloween card. Here's mine. I hope you like it. Hugs, Therese. So thank you so much, Therese. I appreciate you. And then I think I got a, yes, it is a thank you card. And this thank you card is from Carrie over at Double Click Connect. And she gifted me some of her dewdrops. So if you don't know, she makes these beautiful dewdrops that you can add to your projects. And so she has an Etsy store. You can check her out. It's Double Click Connect. And that's Carrie. Thank you so much, Carrie. So that's my shares, my Halloween gifts I got. I appreciate you guys so much. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. And for more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.